Are you looking for a reliable, high-performance frying pan set that can handle all your cooking needs? This T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set might be just what you need. With both a 10-inch and a 12-inch pan included, this set is designed to cover all your culinary bases, from quick weekday breakfasts to elegant holiday meals. Built with T-Fal's cutting-edge heat mastery system and featuring Thermo Spot Technology, these pans are made for home chefs who want precision, durability, and ease of use in their cookware. Why choose the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set? Investing in high-quality cookware is a smart choice for any home chef. T-Fal's 10-inch and 12-inch nonstick fry pans are designed to perform under high heat and frequent use. The heat mastery system ensures even heat distribution. The Thermo Spot technology makes preheating a breeze, and the nonstick surface makes cleanup almost effortless. Here's a quick overview of why this set stands out. Durable hard-anodized construction. Resists scratches, corrosion, and warping for even heat. Thermo Spot indicator. Easily see when the pan has reached the ideal temperature. Oven safe. Versatile for stovetop or oven use up to 400 degrees. Comfort grip. Riveted silicone handles provide a safe and comfortable hold. Dishwasher-safe. Non-stick surface ensures easy cleanup. A closer look at the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set. 1. Superior durability and design. T-Fal has crafted these fry pans with hard-anodized aluminum for a long-lasting, rugged exterior. The hard-anodized finish not only resists scratches and corrosion, but also prevents warping, ensuring even heat distribution across the pan surface. If you've struggled with cookware that doesn't hold up over time, this set will be a game-changer in your kitchen. It's also titanium reinforced for a smooth non-stick experience, so food slides off effortlessly, making it easier to cook delicate items like eggs and pancakes without sticking. 2. Innovative Thermo Spot Technology. Say goodbye to guessing when the pan is preheated. T-Fal's Thermo Spot Technology takes the guesswork out of cooking by providing a clear heat indicator. A ring in the center of each pan turns solid red to let you know when the pan has reached the ideal cooking temperature. This feature is a lifesaver when you're searing meats or cooking items that require precise heat, allowing you to achieve that perfect crust or even cook with every use. 3. Multi-purpose and versatile. The T-Fal Ultimate Fry Pan Set doesn't just excel at frying. It's also perfect for sautéing, browning, and simmering. With both 10-inch and 12-inch sizes, you have the flexibility to whip up single servings or cook larger meals for family gatherings. Oven safe up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Fahrenheit with lids. These pans are perfect for recipes that start on the stovetop and finish in the oven, like frittatas or skillet-baked casseroles. Before, enhanced comfort and control. Comfort matters in cookware, especially when you're cooking for extended periods. The riveted silicone handles offer a secure and comfortable grip, while the vented tempered glass lids lock in moisture and flavor, allowing you to monitor the cooking process without losing heat. This design ensures that you're in full control, reducing the chances of burns or spills. 5. Hassle-free cleaning and maintenance. Cleaning up after cooking can sometimes be a chore, but with T-Fal's titanium-reinforced non-stick interior, food residue simply slides off. This non-stick coating is incredibly durable and stands up to everyday cooking without flaking or peeling. Plus, the pans are dishwasher safe, so you can toss them in the dishwasher after cooking without worry. If you're looking for a fry pan set that will last for years and enhance your cooking experience, T-Fal's Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set is a fantastic choice. It's a worthwhile addition to any kitchen, especially for those who value quality, convenience, and performance in their cookware. Final verdict. Should you buy the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Fry Pan Set? For any home cook or professional chef, the T-Fal Ultimate Hard-Anodized Nonstick Fry Pan Set is a practical investment. It combines high-quality materials with user-friendly features, making it one of the best non-stick frying pan sets on the market. The Thermo Spot technology, hard-anodized construction, and oven-safe capability provide everything you need for versatile and consistent cooking results. If you're seeking a reliable, easy-to-maintain, and durable frying pan set, this T-Fal Duo is highly recommended. If you enjoyed this review, like the video, and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.